Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to configure site-to-site IPSec VPN between a FortiGate firewall and a MikroTik router. To learn how to configure a site-to-site VPN IPSec tunnel, FortiGate 120Z and MikroTik router. So please follow this channel for more video. Look, there is a FortiGate firewall 102Z and this is the public IP address for FortiGate firewall 1 address, and behind the FortiGate firewall have local area, that's mean LAN 172.16.49.0/24, and there is in our right side there is the MikroTik router. MikroTik router have this public IP for WAN and local address in 172.16.16.0/24. So we will configure FortiGate firewall to MikroTik router the IPSec site-to-site VPN. Okay. The internet are connected to FortiGate firewall, internet to connected MikroTik router. So we will start the configuration. Okay. First we will log in the FortiGate firewall. There is the FortiGate firewall dashboard. In the system information, the public IP you can show your public IP, that's been WAN IP. I have already configured the FortiGate firewall public IP in the WAN port, so I will show the configuration. If you are required to configuration newly, so you can following process in my video. Go to network and interfaces, scroll down. This is my WAN port 1 is WAN. You can show the IP addresses. Double click the port 1, go to edit. You can set the alias from here, and you can set the role, and you can set the public IP address in the IP and net mask. Okay, you can set administrative access. If you are required to enable HTTPS, you can. In this video or in this lab I will only allow ping and SSH. Then OK, press the OK. That's mean our FortiGate LAN configuration, WAN configuration already done. So I have configured LAN as well. This is my LAN. So already we have completed our public IP and LAN IP in the FortiGate side. So after that, going to VPN. In the VPN tunnel, I can create new. There is the 3 option: custom IPSec tunnel, IPSec tunnel form template, IPSec aggregate. IPSec tunnel form template for only template using the template we can configure VPN as like remote access VPN. In this video we will show the custom IPSec tunnel. So go to custom IPSec tunnel, set a name. So DC to store 01. You can set your name for site-to-site VPN. Remote gateway, I will set the remote gateway. And set the FortiGate WAN interface. This is the FortiGate WAN interface. Okay. After that, NAT traversal, disable the NAT traversal, and rest of the configuration as a default, like DPTC retry count 3, DPD retry interval 20. Okay, The authentication, we can set a pre-shared key. We are setting a pre-shared key. You also required to note this pre-shared key for MikroTik and configuration required. So IKE version 2, we are setting the IKE version 2. In the phase 1 encryption authentication, we have removed all authentication except one. Okay, so we can authenticate version AES 256 and SHA 256, and I have the Dell Helmet group take the 5 and uncheck 20 and 22. Okay, and key lifetime set default. So this is the phase 1 configuration in the FortiGate end. I also configured the phase 2, create new, set a name DC2 store 01. This is the phase 2 name. Encapsulation mode, tunnel mode, yes, this is the tunnel mode, and IPv4. The local address, I am setting the local address 172.60.49.0/24. You can set your LAN FortiGate behind the FortiGate LAN address and remote address. I have set the behind the MikroTik address 172.60.0/24. Okay, same as like the encryption authentication, except on we are removing all. We have set 256 AES and SHA 256 as well. Okay, so reply detection enable, PFS also enable, Helmet group check the 5 and uncheck 21 and 20. Okay, local port all, remote port all. That's mean rest of the configuration are default settings as well. Okay, so click OK. Look, there is the showing the phase 2 configuration. I have said OK. That's mean firewall, FortiGate firewall and policy already created, completed. Now we need to configure a object and create a policy. Without policy the VPN cannot work, so we need to create a address. I need to create a new address for MikroTik LAN address. Okay, so store 01 LAN 172.16.0/24. Okay, it's supported /24, so we can set the /24. This is the MikroTik and address. We can change the color. We can change the color as like purple or maroon. Set OK. You can see the new address already created, so we are creating the firewall rule. So first of all we are create new, set a name for firewall to store 01 allow. Okay, schedule always incoming interface DC door, outgoing interface the LAN. Okay, LAN. This interface down because of MikroTik and configuration pending, that's why this interface are down. Okay, so source interface, yeah, source interface is source IP address is LAN site, yeah, this one. destination is my land, this one. Okay, service all, we have set the all. If required your site HTTP only, you can set HTTP, and customize port and customize service, you can select those of services. Okay, in my case I need to all. And the central net, there is no net required, that's why we cannot enable any net. This firewall we are enabling the central net for manage the net. Okay, so login profile, allow the traffic all session, enable the policy and create. Okay, already create a policy, there is okay, so we can log in the MikroTik. This is my MikroTik. So IP address, this is the loopback interface IP address. So selected my WAN address in the MikroTik end. So we can create the site-to-site VPN. Go to IPSec. First of all, create a profile. We need to create a profile in the store to DC. Okay, DC store to DC, uncheck all properties. Okay, select the encryption A is 256 and MOP D. Okay, this one. Net traverse disable, set 120 DPT interval, DPP maximum failure is 5. Okay, so net traversal and this are configuration are done. This is the profile configuration done. Click OK. Already saved the profile. Okay, now the pair, create a pair, name store 01 to DC. So address, this is the FortiGate public IP address. Local address, that's mean FortiGate public IP. And change, set the profile store to DC. Exchange mode I key, that's mean IPSec. Okay, so select OK. This is the pair site. Okay, apply, done. Now need to configure identifies. Okay, click the identifies. Store, already set the pair. Authentication mode, p-shared key. Yeah, set which p-shared key are configured in the FortiGate and same p-shared key set in the MikroTik, otherwise the tunnel cannot be up. Okay, okay, rest of the configuration is same, just need to save. Okay, now create a proposal. Okay, the for IPSec phase 2. Okay, store 01 to DC, check copy only SHA-256, yes, 256. This one also I have created the phase 2. Apply. Okay, now create a policy PR DC2. Okay, the source address are the local address 172.160.0/24, and there is 172.160.190.0/. This is the FortiGate LAN IP. Okay, encrypted, required IPSec yes profile proposal DC1. Okay, apply. Okay, we can check the active pair. Look, the established the 50 seconds ago. Yeah, phase 2 also established to check the firewall end as well. Okay, yeah, this one also worked. And check also the dashboard, the IPSec monitor. Yeah, this one already connected.